Hey YouTube, what's happening? This is Rally 6001 with my final airsoft review for the day. It's on the HK P30. Pretty great gun. This is an awesome pistol. It has a medium range. It clocks in at around 250 FPS. It's awesome range, awesome everything. It's metal. It's metal. Cocks real easily. Mag holds a good amount. It's a spring pistol, but it's great. Looks real, pretty good. Great for making movies, and great for just playing the sport. I'll show you. The only thing I don't like about it is this hammer. This is a mock hammer. You can't move it or anything. So, the sights are pretty accurate. So I can, yeah. The safety's right here. The only bad thing that's ever happened to this is the safety bar. There's this like little bar right here. It fell out once, but that was only once, and I was dry firing the weapon, so I wasn't really treating it correctly. Now let's get straight to shooting, because there isn't really much to say about this weapon, just that it's fantastic. Feels like a real gun in your hands. Move forward a little bit. And we're out of ammo. Okay, also I forgot to say, another thing that I don't like about this is it's a single load, so you have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, instead of just putting something in the butt of the clip. Alright. Let's check out what we did here. Because it did start leaning that way, so I did make a little holes right here. I made a hole there, made a hole here, made that hole right there, made a couple holes right there. And there are a lot of BBs in there from all my shooting today. So, since we can recycle these BBs inside here, I'll show you what it looks like to reload the mag. And a couple BBs. Should be enough to fill the mag up. Okay, mag is pretty much full. It's in the weapon. Now let's turn the camera for our close-up shot. And I forgot to show you this last little feature about the gun. When it's out of ammo, the slide stays back and the mag falls out. So the good thing is, well, when you put the slide back in, the mag back in, it's pre-cocked, so you can start shooting right when you put the mag back in. It's a great gun. It's a lot of BBs. Okay, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Buy this gun. It's a great gun. I guarantee you'll love it 100% once you buy it. It's like a real pistol. It's great. It has an accessory rail right here. It's just amazing. Buy it at your local sporting goods store. I bought it at Dick's Sporting Goods. If you have a Dick's Sporting Goods or Sports Authority or something near you, buy it now. Get off your computer or your iPhone or wherever you're watching YouTube from and go out and buy this gun. It's great. It was about only 20 bucks, really cheap. Great gun. Thank you. Rally 6001 signing out.